Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the tangent lines. Like first, we will know that what is a tangent to a point, okay? And then how do we find the tangent equation of a tangent line passing through a point on a circle? So tangent, as you can see in this graph, in this diagram, that tangent line is a line to which intersect, or we say that which touches the circle at only one point. So here the point is P. So this is the tangent line. So generally what is asked is to find the equation of this line. Okay. So we have studied in the previous videos that how do we find an equation of a line? We can find the equation of a line if we have either the 2 points on the line or we have the slope of the line at one point. So here, as it is a tangent line, we can find only one point. So what is required? We need the slope of this line. Now, to understand the concept of tangent, like since this is the radius r, suppose the radius r is having a slope m. So this is intersecting, this tangent is intersecting. So it is intersecting at a 90 degree, means these two lines are perpendicular. So the slope is, we know that two lines are perpendicular, so the slope is, the product of their slope is -1. So we will use this concept to find the slope of the tangent line. So suppose if this is your m1, the slope of the radius, this tangent, this slope is m2, then how do you find m2? It is -1 over the slope of the radius. So let's understand this with the help of an example. So if they ask you to find the equation of a tangent to the circle, this circle at this point. So first of all, we need to find the center because we need 2 points, correct? We need this point C and this point P because if we have 2 points, then only we can find the slope. Okay. So how do we find this point? So this point is nothing but this is center of the equation, correct? So writing this equation in the standard form of the equation of circle, which is x minus h square y minus k square equal r square. We, we need the center. So center is nothing but the value of h and k. Okay, take it with this sign. So we get the center here hk, which is -9 and -2. Okay, so this is your first point, say C, center C, -9, -2. What is the other point? Let's name this as point P, 1, 3. So can you find the slope of a line joining these two points? Yes, we know the formula for slope, which is m, gives you y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What is it? This is, yes, let's say this is x1, y1, or let's use this point P as x1, y1, and this as x2, y2. So this gives you y2 is -2, -3, -9, -1, giving you -5 over -10. So slope will be 1 over 2. So this is slope of what? Okay. To understand this, let's consider this figure again. So this is your circle with center C. This is point P. Okay. So this M, or let me say M1, is the slope of this radius. Okay. Now what I want equation of tangent. Equation of tangent to the circle. So tangent will be at this point. Okay. So we want the slope of this line. So let's say this line is, the slope is m2. Since these two are perpendicular, we know that the two lines are perpendicular if product of their slope is -1. So you have m1. So m1 is half, m2 is same and -1. So what this gives you? The value of m2 is -2. Correct? How we get it? We multiply both sides by 2. This cancels 2 with 2. Okay, so now what we have? We have a line passing through the point 1, 3 with slope equal minus 2. So what is equation of such line? With slope minus 2 and passing through the point 1, 3. If we name the point as x1, y1. Yes, the equation of line is y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. So this gives you y minus y1 is 3 equal m is minus 2 x minus x1 which is 1. Using the distributive property on the right side of the equation gives you y minus 3 equal minus 2x plus 2. Simplifying this gives you y equal minus 2x plus 2 plus 3 giving you 5. So this is your equation of tangent to the circle. Okay, so you need to remember the steps. What is the first step? Find the center. Okay, then find the slope. After finding the slope, find the slope of tangent. Okay, and then use the concept of equation of line. Let's solve another question to make it more clear. So the equation of circle is x square plus y square equal 29. So it means it's x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square, correct? So the center will be at 0, 0. This is your point C. What will be the radius? Root of 29 square. Okay, that we don't need here. Okay, so this is your center and another point P is minus 2, 5. So step 1 or I'll say step 2. Step 1 is to find the center. What you have? You have the point 0, 0 and minus 2, 5. Naming it as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. So the slope m, this will be the slope of radius. So we say m1 is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is equal to 0 minus 5, 0 minus of minus 2, giving you minus 5 over 2. Okay. Next is to find the slope of tangent. Okay, step 2. Step 3. Slope of tangent. Let's say m2. So you know that m1 times m2 is minus 1. You have value of m1. Minus 5 over 2 times m2 equal minus 1. So when you simplify, you multiply both sides by 2. This cancels, giving you minus 5 m2 equal minus 2. Still, you need m2. So divided by minus 5. That gives you the slope of tangent as 2 over 5. Okay, so this is your tangent. Now you have slope and you have this point. Okay, so equation of tangent line. That is the step 4. Equation of tangent line. With slope 2 over 5 and point P, always the given point, not the center. What is it? Y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. This is x1, this is y1. This is your m. So this gives you y minus y1 is 5, m 2 over 5, x minus of minus 2. So y minus 5 equal 2 over 5 x plus 2. Simplifying this, you know how to simplify. So this will be like y minus 5 equal to x plus 2. This gives you 5y minus 25 equal to x plus 4. That gives you 5y equal to x plus 29. So this is your equation of the tangent line. Okay. So I hope it's clear. It's a four-step process. This is how you can work on it.